Corner. Today's recipe is Laccha Paratha. Let's get started. The ingredients are: I have taken 2 cups of plain flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of ghee, half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now to the flour, we will add the salt and the sugar and mix it really well. Next, we will add the ghee and mix it again. Now once this is mixed, we will start adding the water in order to knead the dough. Please use water little by little. Please do not use the water completely. Use as per required. So we will knead it continuously by adding water little by little. For the parathas, we need stiff dough. So we will continue kneading. We can see that a nice and stiff dough is forming. I have used 3/4 of a cup of water in total. Now the dough is ready to roll. Now for the parathas, I have taken a portion of the dough. I will also take some oil to apply on top and also some dry flour. So now let's dip the dough into the dry flour carefully. And start rolling. We will roll it as thin as possible. The ghee which we added will make it nice and soft inside and crispy outside. In this way. Now we will apply the oil little by little, how much ever is required. Nicely till the corners and all around the paratha. Now I will take the back part of a spoon and make thin and fine lines in this way. This makes the paratha to form layers. Here we can see the layers, nice and clean. Now we will take all the layers together. We will bring them together in this way, carefully. And now we will fold it like this in order to make a peda out of it. So here is a peda. Now to roll the peda, I have dusted it with flour, and now we will roll gently. In this way. We can also use our fingers to do it. Here the paratha is ready to fry. So here I have taken a tawa and greased it slightly with oil. Now we will adjust the flame to medium to high and allow it to heat till it is nice and hot. Please make sure that the tawa is nice and hot. It shouldn't be too hot also. Now we will add our rolled dough and we will apply some oil on top in this way and on the sides in order to fry it. And now we will cook this for a minute on one side, then we will flip it to the other side. Now we can see after a minute that nice bubbles have formed. Now we will slightly flip it and we will rotate in this way. Add some more oil on the top and now we will rotate it in this way. You can also use a bigger spoon for it. Doing this will help in cooking the paratha evenly. Now we can see that it is nice and golden. So we will cook for another 30 seconds by applying oil little by little. Now we will roll it again like this. And here our paratha is nice and done. So here are the absolutely delicious Laccha Parathas. You can see the layers, nice and beautiful. They are soft inside and really crispy outside. You can see the layers just coming off. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Cooking Corner.